So, hello everyone, and we are lucky enough to host right now Dr. Maria Noor, a fresh intern pass out from DY Patil Dental School, Pune, bagging a great rank in NEET MDS 2024. Heartiest congratulations, Dr. Maria, once again.
So,
Congratulations, beta.
thank you, ma'am.
And over to you. Like, you are the person who is going to enlighten us with your journey in this session.
Yes, how you made it possible.
So, ma'am, firstly, I'll congratulate the whole team of BDS to MDS because I'll tell you, ma'am, there were a lot of people around me that also told me that it is very difficult to get into a government seat in the first attempt or someone from general category itself. And I had to prove them wrong because this was my dream. And I had seen so many people cracking NEET. Who came from general category or scoring good ranks from my college itself. So that was a big source of motivation for me. And you made us push beyond our limits. I mean, I did not know that I had this potential. I could study so much, but you all made this journey so interesting. I mean, I loved studying throughout. I loved giving the test. I loved scoring in them. I loved asking doubts on group. And I mean, it was all, I think, a very amazing journey. And I always look back to it and smile.
There is a standard, like two notions, I would say, prevailing since many years. You defied both of them, but still, like listening straight from the horse's mouth. Is it difficult for a private college student to crack NEET and get into government rank? And how difficult it is for an intern to study along with your internship?
Uh, it it does get difficult because there are lack of examples who do this coming from
True.
private colleges and cracking this. But I think if you're determined enough, if you have that desperation to crack this exam, I think you can do it. And what I did was I got time to study in my college when I was not in clinical postings or if the patient flow was less that day. I mean, even if I got half an hour, I studied. If I got 15 minutes, I studied. I mean, if suppose the lecture was taken in the evening, I made sure by the next day, the notes, the pulse, MCQs, everything was solved. I didn't
Very
let
good.
things pile up because I knew if things pile up, if I procrastinate, it is going to become a burden for me. And then it'll become a headache and I won't be able to do it. So you have to be really active in that process. You cannot get lazy.
Where you guys are getting such wisdom actually at this small age, that is
And
shockingly.
how, beta, did you like you were the only one studying with so much of dedication in your college or in your department? So, beta, hota hai na, people stop you. They,
Yeah.
okay, don't study, let us enjoy. Anyways, it is not happening.
Yes, ma'am. There were so many people doing that. I
Like
mean,
how
people
much you will
coming and just,
study.
mocking like kitna padegi, ho gaya na. So,
Same.
but then it's like, and actually at one point during my preparation, even I started thinking like it's very difficult to get a government rank or so. So I started looking of options, non-clinical options abroad or something. And I told my dad, I called him and I said that I think it is a little difficult. I'll prepare sincerely, but God forbid if I don't get a rank, I would like to apply abroad. So he was like, who are you hanging out with? Are there people who are discouraging you that you cannot do it? Why do you care about the number of seats? You want one seat, you prepare for that seat. Like
Hmm.
after that, I was like, if they believe in me so much, there's no way that I
Yes.
can let them down.
Now,
So
that's a very good thing your dad told you.
yeah.
Absolutely. Rather than I was expecting, maybe your dad said, okay, beta, do whatever you want to do.
Got to
No, but he actually got you to the point where you could, put your best effort.
yeah, totally. And my parents supported me a lot during this time. I mean, earlier I used to live alone, and
Hmm.
after the classes, I used to at 9:30, 10, I used to go cook for me and then have my dinner. And then, I mean, at that time I couldn't study. So
Hmm.
after a few months, I called my parents. They were in my hometown at that time, and I told them it is getting a little difficult for me to manage both studies and everything. So they came and
Absolutely.
they supported me so much. I mean, it's because of you
That's a
people, it's because of my parents, I'm here. I couldn't be here if I was just studying, like just turning pages back and forth. नहीं होता कभी.
I'll just reiterate or rephrase my previous question.
Yes, sir.
Being a private college student
Hmm.
and
Yes.
living in an environment where you haven't seen much of examples, you said, going into top ranks in government colleges. Was the thought process surmounting, like it was becoming heavy, that it is very, very difficult all through the year?
So,
Now, how
there
good or bad this thought is actually? I just want to listen from this year generation actually.
So obviously there is lack of people telling you. Some of them they do crack exam of people that I know, but for the vast majority of examples that we see, I was getting discouraged because एक होता है हम यूजी के टाइम पे हमने शायद उतनी मेहनत नहीं करी, तो एक डर रहता है कि अभी नहीं हो पाया तो. So there is we do tend to get intimidated by students from government colleges, but एक मैम वो एक सर वो desperation थी इस बार कि मुझे कुछ भी करके निकालना है. I don't think this was the mentality I had when I was preparing for UG. So एक पूरा
And now
shift
you think
आया.
it's possible, anything is possible.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, I am surprised by the potential that I hold.
Yes, absolutely. And Beta, what was your strategy while studying? Like, what were you reading? You were reading
What's your flow of or sequence of events like you?
MCQs followed by notes and tests. What were you doing?
So आप लोग जो शेड्यूल बनाते थे कि कब लेक्चर कौन सा होगा, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आई वाज डूइंग द लेक्चर्स. आई डिड नॉट मिस वन सिंगल डे ऑफ लेक्चर्स. आई डिड नॉट.
Live classes
Live class.
Wow.
I didn't miss a single
with
day.
internship.
With internship, sir, yes.
It's hats
I
off
made sure
situation.
no matter how tired I was, how hot it was, I made sure at 6 o'clock, if I have my lecture, I have to sit. And ma'am, I think it is the advantage of live. When you see so many people around you that are going to attend that lecture, if you're doing it
True.
recorded, I think that discipline, I think, is lost. So I think
Lost.
live lectures help a lot in that. And I used to attend my lectures. By the next day, I used to read the notes, solve MCQs from that topic. And ऐसे ही सारा schedule wise चलता था. And then there were tests. तो टेस्ट में जो भी आता था वो पढ़ना था, अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना था. एंड कभी ऐसा हो कि नहीं प्रिपेयर कर पाए हो ड्यू टू एनी सर्कमस्टांस, still I gave my test. Even if I scored bad, I went back, I did the whole analysis where I was lacking, what mistakes I made, and whichever points that I was not able to, which I was getting wrong in test or pulse, I added that to my notes. And one more thing that I did, which helped me the most, was active recall. I mean, I could turn
Okay.
pages again and again, but I would not retain any of it the next day. So what I did was I made use of post-it notes. So what I did was, suppose, for example, the DOC of PSVT, I don't remember. And I would write that in a question format and answer would be at the back. And I would try
Okay.
to recall the information at any given time. If I was not free, I gave it to my mom. When she came back here, I gave those flashcards and I gave it to my mom. I told her, whenever you're free, please ask me that. I mean, there was no way that I could not answer it if the question was coming from my mom. So I had to study that. So that way,
Wow. So you were your own quiz master.
yes, ma'am. एक क्विज आपका चलता था, एक क्विज मैं अपनी मम्मी को दे देती थी कि अब क्विज.
No, but so much of hard work and thought you have put in, Dr. Maria.
यस मैम, करना था ना इस बार. आई डिड नॉट हैव अ प्लान बी. रखा तो पापा ने डांट दिया था, तो यही था. I was
Hmm.
like,
That was the most apt actually question he asked you. Like
yeah.
how seriously basically you are studying that. So, but this is again like we are, pata nahi, I lost words or what, I forgot what to ask. You guys have like almost everyone has said very similar things, following the discipline. Number one, attending classes, making notes, revising notes. I don't know. We haven't seen such a batch in last 15, 16 years. Like,
I think this whole batch was very sincere. And when you see other students doing so good, and
Hmm.
you teachers putting in so much efforts at 10:30 at night, at 11 at night, and if looking at that we don't put in that effort, then it is a shame to all of us. No, if teachers like you who have already attained everything in life, if you all are putting in so much effort for us and we don't do it at this age of our life, I don't think I mean, that's a shame, to be honest. Effort जरूरी है. Hard work के बिना नहीं होता, ma'am.
True.
No, there is no
in
shortcut.
this long journey, how do you coped up with some bad days, stressed out time and all that?
What I did was I called up my friends, because I uninstalled social media also after a given point of time, because that takes a lot of time.
Are you
So
from this planet? First, tell me. If you're not on social media, where are you available?
No, I
Mhm.
uninstalled it around 5 to 6 months before exams because it really does take a lot of your time and energy, I feel. Mindlessly scrolling on Instagram and all of that thing. So you need to become a ghost, I think. You need to
True.
be totally in
For
your,
only 6 months, you need to just be forgotten by the world.
yeah. So I used to call my friends and they were available to me. They supported me a lot. And there were days where I felt discouraged, ki hoga, nahi hoga. And they used to motivate me so much. Like, look at the efforts that you're putting. Tera nahi hoga to kiska hoga. And
Hmm.
these motivating people around you help a lot. And I think you should be around people who motivate you. At this time, when you're preparing for any entrance exam, you really need to be around people who encourage you.
No, absolutely. Even today we get calls like, "Hey, ma'am, seniors are saying not possible. I not possible." So obviously, when you say it is not possible, then how will you
Huh.
even strive for it?
Yeah.
Very true.
I made sure I did not listen to those people because I had a lot of them that told me that it is difficult, you're aiming too high.
Yeah,
It
you are aiming too high.
Hmm.
But then I have big dreams.
I have big dreams.
Absolutely.
See, Everest is also climbed by those who never imagined to actually climb that.
Yeah.
Hmm.
They just had a thought that someday we'll climb an Everest. They started it.
Hmm.
The only thing is to go non-stop beyond that. Like once you start, you cannot come back when you are
Yeah.
climbing an Everest. It's the most foolish thing.
Absolutely.
So you did that actually. Like once you started, you gained momentum, you started liking, you loving subjects.
Yes.
Maybe
You
like
loved your journey. That was the best part.
Yeah. I thoroughly
And
enjoyed.
how was the exam day, beta?
मैम एक्चुअली द डे ऑफ एग्जाम नो मैटर अभी मैं कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ उस दिन मैम डर लगा था इन द मॉर्निंग आल्सो आई वाज सो एंशियस आई कुडंट ईट माय ब्रेकफास्ट प्रॉपर्ली एंड आई रिमेंबर यू केप्ट सेइंग कि कुछ मीठा खा के जाना कुछ मीठा खा के जाना सो आई हैड ब्रेड एंड न्यूटेला and but on the day of exam when I was attempting MCQs I got hungry and that did shift my focus a little bit but so that this is one thing I think juniors should do, eat properly, have a proper breakfast before exam.
Absolutely.
So the medical part I found very easy. Like I think one go mein ho gaya tha, probably 2 to 3 questions that I marked for review. Dental part I found a little tricky. Like questions, I found that two options felt very close to the
Close.
answer. So udhar mera time gaya thoda. And till the exam, from exam till the day result was announced, I was anxious. Milega, nahi milega, thode marks se chhoot jayega, kya pata. And when
Hmm.
the results came, no, it was a PDF. And the first column was your marks and the second column was your rank. So I saw my marks and it was 639. I was like,
it's
शायद अब
rank.
नहीं मिलेगा clinical नहीं मिलेगा शायद ऐसे वैसे thoughts आ रहे थे and then I looked properly and then I looked at my rank and I jumped. I went to my mom and dad and was like अब तो I'm getting a government seat for sure. So that day I was
Many
relaxed.
rankers were stunned by the first column actually.
Yeah.
But beta, like you knew at least somewhere down the heart, okay, I'm going to make it
Yeah.
in the exam. है ना? मतलब
फीलिंग आ गई थी वो वाली की
it was a
आज तो
good
पेपर
paper.
फोड़ दिया आपने.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं आया था कि फोड़ दिया क्योंकि डर था सर कि मुझे लगा था पेपर थोड़ा
Hmm.
ट्रिकी आया है बट इतना था कि बुरा नहीं
बराबर.
जाएगा गवर्नमेंट अगर क्लिनिकल नहीं तो नॉन क्लिनिकल मिल जाएगा ऐसा था बट गवर्नमेंट सीट तो मिल जाएगी इतना मेरे को कंफर्म था
Hmm.
पूरे साल का प्रिपरेशन एक तरफ था एंड द डे ऑफ योर एग्जाम वो इट्स अ कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट
Absolutely.
स्टोरी यू आर
Actually, adrenaline rushes so much, plus the wait, the travel,
या
everything is bad for the students.
And the environment is scary actually. There's
Hmm.
frisking and all, like they check you multiple times and then they let you long queues you have to pass through
Hmm.
to reach up to the actually your bench, like your computer. It's really a half an hour to 45 minutes
Mhm.
task in itself.
And the thought.
Ma'am, actually, what happened with me was 1.5 months to 2 months before the exam, I met with an accident,
Okay.
scooty accident, and so I had this sling on me for 4 weeks,
Did
and
you call me, Dr. Maria?
ma'am,
One.
I was so scared to call you.
Okay.
I was like,
No,
"मुझे बहुत
because
डर
I had
लगती
this
है."
one student, call me, and she had the same thing. She met with an accident. Maybe it was last year. Well, I'm not able to recall. Okay, but अभी आप बता रहे हो. Then what happened with it?
So there was a sling which slowed down my preparation because I could not sit on table and chair because बहुत ऐसे gap आ जाता था पढ़ने में. तो बेड पे बैठ के पढ़ना था and that becomes मतलब कि उसमें laziness आ जाती है थोड़ी बहुत. तो जैसे उस time when you are that close to exam you really need to put in 12 to 14 hours of study, but उस time मेरे से I think 8 to 10 ही हो पा रहा था. So that slowed down my preparation a bit. But after that 4 weeks was over. The sling was gone. I made sure that I come back and I consistently studied for 14 hours a day.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, that's amazing.
And while I was with the doctor, I could recollect your words. Do not ride scooty. Don't eat bahar ka khana. At that time, I was thinking, हाँ कौन ही करेगा? And then I was like, I am the person who does that.
No, because I told this thing because this happens almost every year
Few kids, yeah.
with especially girls. Especially
Girls
girls.
don't listen. It means like
No, I don't know why. Maybe boys they meet with an accident and they don't call. Maybe.
maybe.
But खैर जो हुआ,
But
I
that's
think
very brave of you, Bete.
it was
Then
scary.
nothing could
That-
stop you.
Yeah.
Okay, and
That
what
was
were
one setback. That was just one setback I had. After that, तो बस पढ़ना ही था. And that was like my internship got over no at that time. So मैं घर पे ही थी. तो it became easier for me in that terms कि अब बस पढ़ाई करना और कुछ करना नहीं है. कॉलेज नहीं जाना है उस टाइम पे तो
Okay.
easy.
And what were the subjects which were easier for you by the end of your preparation and journey?
By the end, ma'am, you will be surprised. I tell you, Pharmac and Anat were easy for me. I'll tell you why.
Ah,
I studied those subjects every day. Like I allotted
very good.
3 minutes a day. Alternatively, one day I did Anat, one day I did Pharmac. 2-3 days mein I did
Otherwise, you were afraid of these two before you
yeah,
started.
But that's
Pharmac
an
and Anat
excellent
really scary.
strategy, Bete. You know, you do that subject daily for even if 10 minutes, you are like better.
Yeah.
Which subjects became your favorite during the preparation or by the end of it?
Favorite?
So you
सभी अच्छे
always
लगने लगे थे मुझे तो
Okay.
मजा आ रहा था पढ़ने में. I mean, you study new things. But I guess I really found medicine interesting, very interesting. I mean, I did not, I mean, during my college days, I didn't think कि medicine interesting हो सकता है, biochem याद रह सकता है, but all of that changed when I joined your institute.
new means like I just like what you had studied in BDS and what this NEET preparation taught you was
Yes.
there some difference?
सर जमीन आसमान का फर्क होता है. मतलब याद मैं कॉलेज में what do? We study last 10 year के papers and then we go for an exam, and after the day of exam you don't even remember what you studied. But इतना in-depth knowledge of every subject I did not have. I don't think anybody has because everybody सबका गोल यही रहता है कॉलेज में कि एग्जाम पास करना है.
Absolutely.
Master कर जाओ every year को by mastering BDS.
Correct. So बहुत डिफरेंस आता है, बहुत चीजें नहीं पता चलती है. लाइक फार्मैक तो मेरे को बहुत डर लगता था सेकेंड ईयर में. आई वाज स्कैर्ड ऑफ इट. एंड एनाटॉमी तो लोग पास ही नहीं हो पाते कॉलेज के टाइम पे.
I know. I got a
उसको
grace
मास्टर कर
mark, so I
जाना
know.
फिर इट
I know.
इज
You know, in GDC in Mumbai, na, like anybody who used to get a grace, ours was second batch of MUHS. So we had one senior batch who was already a guinea pig batch from Bombay University, shifted to Maharashtra University of Health Sciences. So we were little saved. We used to see what has happened to those guinea pigs, so that we don't make such mistakes. But yes, yet everybody like 30-40% batch used to pass with grace in anatomy and likewise subjects. So there was a very famous quote in GDC, like today I have passed gracefully.
No, I did actually. I got 51 marks in anatomy.
भाई
1 mark.
जस्ट पास
When-
होते हैं मैम एनाटॉमी में तो. एंड
And
अभी
first time someone told me, na, I have passed gracefully, I thought maybe you have got some star or what in your mark sheet. Then I realized he's talking about extra marks in the university.
True.
ग्रेस. हाँ मैम. आई थिंक कॉलेज का टाइम वही रहता है, बस एग्जाम पास करना है. इन डेप्थ कुछ नहीं रहता है उस टाइम पे. आई फील अभी तो बहुत डिफरेंस आ गया है, इतना इन डेप्थ नॉलेज. I mean, I used to tell my mom what I had studied. Even she found it interesting. कि अच्छा ऐसा होता है. And you know, I used to teach her. She was not interested in that, I'm sure. But you know, when you teach somebody anything, your concept they strengthen.
Parents are also medicos, like doctors. Or, no,
But my
no.
mom did zoology, so she.
So she is interested in all this physiology, and also she knows.
हाँ, तो I used to, and that is why I gave my flashcards to her, like ask me questions. एंड तो उसी क्विज के वजह से भी एंड मैम के क्विज के वजह से नोट्स इतने बार पढ़ा, 5 बार तो सर हर एक सब्जेक्ट करना पड़ता है क्योंकि नहीं याद रहता है, 2-3 बार करोगे भूल जाओगे.
So how you got the time, beta? You know, we get this calls, ke, ma'am, we are not getting time to revise our notes. So from where did you generate extra time?
मैम अभी आई कुड नॉट वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग टिल द डे ऑफ एग्जाम. आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग टू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग. तो मैं रात में पढ़ लेती थी, बट कैसे होता था ना, जब शुरू के 6 महीने थे तो मैंने नोट्स बनाए एक दिन, नेक्स्ट डे कॉलेज में तो मैंने बहुत, मैम जब जब मौका मिला आई वेंट टू द लाइब्रेरी एंड स्टडीड. एंड I think people would think कि I was being over serious maybe, but I dodged them all. I did not care about what they're thinking or anything. So I मतलब कॉलेज में ही मैम I tried 2 to 3 hours of effective study तो मेरी हो जाए, भले ही बैच वाइज हो, एक बारी में नहीं हो, बट मैं कर लेती थी. फिर किसी दिन लेक्चर नहीं हुआ या फिर शेड्यूल में थोड़ा गैप आ गया हो, तो इन दैट टाइम आई यूज्ड टू रिवाइज एवरीथिंग. बट at the towards the end of the preparation where most of the subjects were done and then we had all the time to ourselves, तो at that time पूरा स्पीड गेयर अप करना पड़ता है, एक एक दिन में एक एक सब्जेक्ट खत्म करो. एंड I think towards the very end, that is 1 month or 1.5 months before the exam, I was finishing one subject a day. The MCQs that I couldn't solve of those topic of those subject, then past year questions में जो circle करे हुए थे, past year questions भी मैंने 3 बार कर लिया होगा. 2 बार मैंने full किया और एक बार मैंने बस circle वाले question किए थे.
Circle वाला.
तो करना पड़ता है मैम, टाइम निकालना पड़ता है. अभी इंटर्नशिप के बाद फिर और करना ही क्या है, घर पे बैठे हैं, तो वो 4 months they count a lot. उसमें you have
True.
make it or break it, I feel.
True. 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 And beta, was there anything left that you didn't do? Anything which you thought, ki, okay, no. So you know there.
Next time, if any interns calls me, Apna, I don't have time, I'll just share the link of your interview. Don't talk to us. Talk to her.
No,
Next.
no, she's very sensible. She didn't listen to anybody's negative things. She knew how to learn pharmacoanatomy. She knew how to do everything. So that's really great, beta.
थैंक यू मैम. मैम आप लोग गाइड करते थे, आप लोग ही बताते थे कैसे करना है, क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है. दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट आई फील, बिकॉज द अमाउंट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल टू अस, ये पढ़ो वो पढ़ो, ऑनलाइन कितनी सारी चीजें आती है, बट टू डिफरेंशिएट उसमें से कि क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है इज आई थिंक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड यू गाइज टोल्ड अस दैट दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट, दिस प्लीज इग्नोर और यू नो एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. सो वो प्रॉपर गाइडेंस एक इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन करके ही आ सकती है. एंड आई थिंक I made the right choice by joining your institute. I mean, I was very confused initially, क्या करूँ करके, but then I saw your lectures, I saw your demo lectures, and the I think demo lecture OP का ही हुआ था, and
The
that lecture I
blockbuster.
was like, yes, Sunny sir. I was like, अब तो करना है, यही institute join करना है, इतना simplify कर दिया OP.
No,
Retain
he's actually, you know, if you meet him in person, he's very shy a person. But you know, camera, I think, transforms him. And especially oral pathology.
You have to make him talk actually. He will not, he'll sit in front of us. Maybe for an hour and there is no conversation.
The first time I met him, I was like, as थोड़े time के लिए I didn't know. ये वो sir है.
He asked me, who is this person you are
Because
sitting?
he's not speaking. And when, you know, he comes to take lectures,
yeah.
like he just आग लगा देते हैं.
I could ask n number of doubts. I did, I think, during the lectures, and many students did. We used to ask him doubts. He used to reply to us at that moment itself. I think hats off to the team. I mean, I mean, people ask me and I straightforward guide them to you. Like, please, करना है तो ये वाला institute join कर लो. बहुत अच्छे lectures हैं. I've done for many people. I think many people have asked me.
Thank you, beta.
Yes.
And what was the favorite pastime of Dr. Maria Noor? Like whenever for rejuvenation, recreation,
Ma'am, कभी
make you happy and come out of your boring schedules and other things.
So, मेरे को मैम I used to play online. I have a lot of online friends gaming. तो कभी कभी games खेल लिया. बट वो भी ज्यादा नहीं करती थी क्योंकि वो एक बार बैठे तो फिर बैठे ही रह जाते उसमें भी। तो वही है कि स्टॉप कब होना है वो पता होना चाहिए। एंड अदर देन दैट आई यूज्ड टू गो आउट फॉर अ वॉक, जॉग। आई हैव कैट्स इन माय सोसाइटी नीचे। So, and then of course talking to parents, talking to friends, all of that helped me. There were days where I felt lonely, and obviously when you look at people from other fields like engineering or any other, they are already, they have achieved so much, and here we are still studying. So वो FOMO रहता था थोड़ा सा.
Absolutely. And it's a bad thing. And it hurts a lot.
It does, ma'am. And it
And
feels
maybe
so
even if
good.
parents don't say anything, you know,
Hmm.
we start feeling guilty.
Yeah.
Okay, we are not earning, we are not earning, we are, मतलब we actually start decreasing our worth.
Yeah,
Hmm.
ma'am, it happened to me a lot of times. So वो एक मेरे लिए एक और वो था कि motivating point था कि अब तो करना ही है, इस एग्जाम के बाद एक स्टाइपेंड का एटलीस्ट मोटिवेशन तो रख लो.
नहीं, बहुत बड़ा मोटिवेशन है बेटा. In a government college, whatever stipend you get, actually it is useful for the future. After 3 years, you are going to set up a clinic or maybe some higher studies. You will require that money.
Yeah, that's the.
I remember when I was preparing for NEET, no, All India used to be there, All India PG, it was called. My best friend from engineering, he was working in TCS. So every weekend we used to, in Delhi only, we used to like go out for some drinks or food or something like. I was never in a position to pay the bill. And he was like, why will you pay? Because he knew I am not earning and the tag on us is we are studying, which is good also and it is bad also. Like, but it's to a limit. One then you start realizing it's not too like some becomes a shameful for boys.
No, even for girls, it is. You know,
Yeah.
even if we have to ask Mama, I want a dress. So it is bad. It
I
is
know.
bad. Hana? So no, beta, you have actually raised a very important point. MDS indeed will give you great financial independence.
Yeah.
Though maybe we most of us don't need, but still in like independence in financial world gives another kick, another high altogether.
सर यहाँ पे ना इंडिपेंडेंस भी मिल रहा है, ये भी मिल रहा है ना, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन का एक डिग्री मिल रहा है, इतना सारा गाइडेंस मिल रहा
वो
है.
इंडिया की हाईएस्ट डिग्री है डेंटल में. After that, as of now, maybe after 3 years when you pass out, you realize there is some super specialization. But as of now, it is the highest. True.
So
Like I always say when I'm taking some live session in colleges on career guidance and all, like usually every last week I was in one of the colleges, somebody asked me, sir, why do you think MDS is like having so value in India? That you suppose you enter, like you are entering MDS. After 3 years, you'll be appearing for final exam of MDS, which will be 2 or 3 days depending upon your specialty. 2.5 to 3 days का exam होता है, practicals. Theory is separate. I have assisted. I have assisted ortho person, so I know 3 days exam. It is a rigorous exam. For 3 days, you are grilled like anything. Basically, every minute you are blasted and told that you don't deserve this degree. Reason being, after 3 years, you are already an MDS, about to become an MDS, or maybe about to get a degree. And all the examiners, there are 4 or 5 of them, carry the same degree which you are going to get after 3 days. So they have some hatred against the students that after this exam, when I pass you, you and I become the same.
yeah.
You can sense that in their eyes actually, and that's the reason they hate students or those. So imagine like the examiner and student be carrying the same degree after 3 days is like crazy stuff. That is why it is, I believe it is the thing which everyone should, all those who want to shine in dentistry, all those who want to grow in dentistry, should bag the highest degree, then stabilize your life and career according to your choice. And 23, 22, 24 is not an age to start working. It is still good time, prime time to invest in education. Rather than just sit down at some place and start doing scaling RCD and start thinking of making money.
Absolutely.
That's what IIT people are also doing. They go into higher educations like, but you are like all those who have done crack NEET MDS this year and every year. This is beyond that glory actually. It's really tough exam.
Absolutely. So, Dr. Maria, like, what would you like to tell your
जाते जाते message.
aspirants? What would you like to tell? Is it achievable for an intelligent person, for normal person.
It is completely achievable. I was a normal, maybe above average, but ठीक है. मैंने मेरे से भी मतलब हर कैटेगरी के स्टूडेंट को अचीव करते हुए देखा है. You just need to put in efforts. You need to be disciplined, consistent, and हो जाता है. You really ignore whatever people tell you about this thing not being achievable. Because मैम actually मेरे लिए एक source of motivation interviews देखना ही था. During my initial days when I used to get demotivated, और आई यूज टू गो ऑन यूट्यूब एंड टाइप BDS to MDS. सारे वीडियोस देखते बैठती थी मैं सीनियर्स के. तो मुझे तो था कि अगर ये लोग कर सकते हैं, these people are just like me, why cannot I do
Absolutely.
it?
Same 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 legs,
Same
right?
people. So I thought it is achievable. So I would like to tell everybody that don't get disheartened or don't get discouraged by people who tell you that you can't do it, and keep revising. Keep revising, keep recalling information. Because ऐसे ही पेजेस पलटते रहोगे तो शायद नहीं रहेगा याद. But if you keep recalling things, if you need to attend quizzes, I think quiz एक बहुत बड़ा advantage देता है मैम.
Now, this was my pledge actually. The last year I pledged कि medicine, the medical subjects, my students are going to say it is easiest.
Ma'am, medical, dental, everything at the end became so easy, very achievable. I mean, सारे ही teachers ने इस बार effort put किया. I think हर subject का quiz हो चुका है. हर
Yes.
मतलब they have made sure that the information is in your brain. अब वो नहीं निकलेगा.
True,
I think
absolutely true.
That's true. This year, rather, like we also went a little aboard, over the top, trying to, you can say, push our limits first,
Yes,
then
and
to
likewise,
ask you to push
many
yours.
people were telling us also, don't do like this much.
My mother is
Don't
like,
do like this much for the kids, no?
is
Because
like, our parents like, you could gone mad, रात को 11 बजे classes हो रही हैं, ये हो रहा है.
but then you
But we
all kept
realized
us going.
if we don't push our limits, what will be an example to you guys?
मेरी मम्मी सुनती थी ना जब मैं लैपटॉप पे करती थी तो शी यूज्ड टू टेल माय गॉड योर टीचर्स दे आर सो सिंसियर एंड मोटिवेटेड. मतलब तुम लोग नहीं करोगे तो कौन करेगा. एंड लाइक शी व्हेन यूज्ड टू टेल अस लाइक दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, माय मॉम इज लाइक मैम बोल रही है लिख ले.
मिस हो जाएगी.
हाँ.
Now your mom is near, bete? Mom, that?
No, she'll be in the other room. I can call her.
Okay.
Should
Please
I?
call. Yes, of course. If comfortable, like
हेलो,
नमस्ते।
बैठो.
आप लोगों ने काफी मेहनत किया मारिया के लिए, अच्छा लगा। मम्मी होकर के मम्मी जैसा लग रहा था कि मम्मी की तरह पढ़ा रहे हो आप उसको, बेटा बेटा बोल के मैंने सब सुना।
मैम म्यूट है आपका.
Sorry.
hello, ma'am.
Congratulations. Good evening, ma'am.
Congratulations.
हाँ, कंग्रेचुलेशंस तो आप लोग डिजर्व करते हो, इतना मेहनत किया बच्चों के पीछे।
नहीं मैम, एक क्विज मास्टर तो आप ही हो.
हाँ,
फार्मैक क्विज तो आप ही ने कराया.
हाँ, मैंने रिवीजन करवाया, वो लिख लिख के देती थी मुझे, तो अच्छा खासा हो जाता था नोट्स, तो वो मैं रखी रहती थी। जब भी वो आती थी मेरे पास तो मैं उसको पूछती थी, तो
नहीं,
और जहाँ अटकती थी
बहुत
वहां मैं टिक कर देती थी। फिर बाद में जब भी आती थी फिर उसको उसी जगह पे मैं पूछती थी, तो रिवाइजन मतलब अच्छे से हो गया उसका। ये है चक्कर, और ज्यादा कुछ
कैसे किया मैम आपने? ये बच्चे तो पढ़ ही रहे थे और आपने भी इतना एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट पुट इन किया, और आपको भी तो स्ट्रेस रहा होगा कुछ.
नहीं। स्ट्रेस इन द सेंस कुछ नहीं था, इन द सेंस कि उसके हाथ में फ्रैक्चर हो गया ना, वो एक्सीडेंट हो गया था। तो मेरे दिल में बड़ा ये था कि भाई कैसे एग्जाम देगी ये। तो इसके वजह से मैंने थोड़ा सा, मेरे को स्ट्रेस तो था, तो मैंने मोटिवेट किया उसको और थोड़ा हेल्प किया, तो खाना वाना सब उसको। पहले तो मैं थी नहीं, अपने घर चली गई थी, फिर वो अकेली ही सब खा कुकिंग भी करती थी, पढ़ती भी थी, तो वक्त नहीं मिलता था। तो फिर उसने मुझे फोन किया कि मम्मी अभी आ जाओ मेरे पास, कि ताकि मैं फुल कंसंट्रेट कर सकूं पढ़ाई में। नहीं तो फिर खाना बनाना, फिर पढ़ना,
बहुत
बच्चों
मुश्किल है मैम.
को हो जाता। तो फिर मैंने किचन का साइड देख लिया, उसको उधर घुसने ही नहीं दिया। मैं बोली जब तू मैंने उसको, हाँ स्लिप, मैंने कहा कि तू सो, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि नींद खराब करके या पढ़, ऐसा नहीं है। माइंड को फ्रेश रख के पढ़ना है, प्रॉपर स्लिप लेना है। ऐसा नहीं कि आप रात भर पढ़ रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं है। रेस्ट लेकर के मैंने उसको बोला कि रेस्ट भी ले, पढ़ भी, और जहाँ उसको प्रॉब्लम हो तो वो नोट्स बना, जिसमें दिक्कत हो थोड़ा, वो दीवार वगैरह में भी मैंने वो सब चिपका दिया था कि वो तुम जब भी जाओ याद नहीं कर सको, पर एक बार गो थ्रू करो उसको, एक बार देख लोगे तो वो दिमाग में रहेगा, अलग से याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है। तो ये सब थोड़ा सा उसको थोड़ा मोटिवेट,
आपने भी एमडीएस किया है, एमडीएस की तैयारी
मैंने भी
full
साथ साथ
की है।
उसके एमडीएस कर लिया है।
नहीं मैम, आपके जैसे पेरेंट्स को तो सच में सैल्यूट है।
नहीं नहीं, वो आज पूरा मेहनत आप लोगों का है, मैंने देखा आपने किस तरह से मेहनत किया है, बाप रे बाप, मैंने देखा उसको। तो थोड़ा सा फिर मैंने
नहीं
सोचा कि
मैम, ये
नहीं
बच्चे ना इस एज में बहुत अकेले हो जाते हैं, मतलब जिस स्टेज पे ये होते हैं, ऐसे
हाँ
में या तो कोई अच्छा फ्रेंड मिल जाए या
हाँ
फिर पेरेंट्स फ्रेंड बन जाए
हाँ, बस
तो
बस
बहुत
बस
इजी हो जाता है।
गाइडेंस मेन चीज है, गाइडेंस। उस समय गाइडेंस अगर सही मिलता है तो बच्चे अच्छा कर लेते हैं इंशाल्लाह।
जी
तो
मैम।
अब थोड़ा ऊपर वाले की भी देन रहती है, खुदा का
जी
भी
मैम।
थोड़ा सा रहता है ये, हाँ, सपोर्ट। तो उसके वजह से हो गया इसका।
नहीं मैम, ये आपकी भी जीत है एंड बहुत ही अच्छी बच्ची है।
हाँ वो तो है। हाँ ठीक है, नहीं आप लोग का थैंक यू वेरी मच, आप लोगों
थैंक
का
यू
भी
मैम।
बहुत सपोर्ट रहा।
थैंक थैंक
ठीक है।
My father is
you
here.
for
He also
coming.
wants to thank you.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, please.
इधर से आइए ना.
Hello, good evening.
Hello sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations sir.
Congratulations to you also. You have put
Thank
a
you.
very good effort, affectionate approach rather.
Thank you, sir.
बहुत
It's
अच्छा
like
रहा, लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया, मदर ने इसके रोल प्ले किया है, वो स्टिकी नोट
बिल्कुल किया है सर।
सर, एग्जाम पूरे परिवार का होता है
हाँ
सर
जी,
ये।
बहुत मुश्किल है एक बड़े बच्चे के साथ फिर से वैसे करना जो हम छोटे बच्चों के साथ करते हैं। तो बहुत ही सर, आप दोनों ने बहुत साथ दिया है।
चलिए, ओवरऑल सबकी मेहनत थी, सबकी दुआ थी,
जी
सक्सेसफुल है।
सर।
Yes,
Thanks
sir.
to you
जी
all.
सर।
Good night, sir.
थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू।
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Dr.
Thank you,
Maria. And it was wonderful having
Yes.
interaction. And
And you're a
all,
very bright kid, beta. You'll go very far.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
all those who don't know, this is like Dr. Maria recording live with us at late night sessions, all awake, all energetic, and an honest conversation with her. Maybe like it is going to influence, motivate many, many MDS aspirants forever.
Absolutely.
Really. This was a source of motivation for me. I hope it inspires everyone.
Yes, it will.
Definitely.
It will, beta. You know, there will be some girl or boy who would be watching your interview, and next year, no, he or she will be telling, "Okay, I watched it." And you know, that helped me push my limits.
Hopefully, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.